Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this video. So this is just kind of a quick tip and also a storage video. I have a storage video on how I store my dies. I'll link it below, and just to add to what I've changed in my storage, for a while there, when I first started storing my dies, I would get some type of chipboard or cardboard, and then I would stick this magnetic sheet to it. And I found this to work okay until I had so many dies, and then like little dies were falling off. Then I started using the Simon Says stamp storage sleeves, and I would put this inside here. And that worked okay for a little while, but I found the more dies that I got, the heavier all of this became, because now I had all of this chipboard or cardboard in here and it was getting very thick. In the video link below, I talked about how I took like a magnetic sheet and I used color-coded cardstock to color code each company, as well as the Simon Says storage sleeve. But to change up how I did it, I found a much better option, and I'm not sure what people will think about it, but I really like it. So one day I was in Dollarama and I saw these. These are $1.25. You get 2 of these. And basically what it is a 4x6 magnetic photo sleeve, and you get 2 of them in the pack. And what's really great about this is 2 things. One, it's 4x6, so it's a lot bigger than what I was using before. I couldn't get a lot of dies on here, and even some of the smaller magnetic sheets that say come with some of the packaging, like My Favorite Things, and there's a few other companies that will include a magnetic backing sheet. I really like this because, for one, it's a 4x6. I get a lot of space to put my dies in, but 2, it has this little pocket in here, and you can die cut your die cuts and then put your paper pieces in here. And then what I've been doing is I've been putting this part into the Simon Says storage sleeve. So to kind of show you, like, look how many dies. This is just 2 sets of this here. This is the Spellbinders classic scalloped oval large dies, and I've got 2 sets because I use them so much. And basically this holds this in here, and it's pretty sturdy, as you can see. Like, it's not floppy, it is nice and thick. And that's another thing, compared to just say the magnetic sheet, you can see it's very floppy. These are not floppy because they've got this extra bit of material here, plus this plastic for the storage sleeve, so they really hold well. So now I'll just add this into my Simon Says storage sleeve here. And what's just great about this is I've still got the great color coding. So I know anything green is going to be by Spellbinders, and anything red is My Favorite Things. And then I've got Simon Says stamp as yellow and a few other colors for some different companies. And I've got this all in one place, and then all my extra die cuts are going to be in behind in that little pocket area. And I've done some other things, like here I've got some more Spellbinders in this one. I've done all of my dies like this. In this one here, really like this. You can see this is kind of orange is kind of a variety of other companies. So I've got Do Crafts in here, Mama Elephant, Waffle Flower, and Little Inker. And I basically just labeled on here what the die is from what company, and then I've placed them on here. And this works wonderful because, again, it's not floppy like some of the other ones, and there's a huge amount of space on here. I've done this one as well. I've got a variety of ferns and leaves and kind of foliage type things on here from all of these companies as well. And again, it fits on one sheet. So this really helps for storage, because now if I'm looking for something which I have under nature, I can just look under here, and here are all my foliage and leaves. And as I get more into my die collection, I can have a second panel for that. So I really like these. Again, these are from Dollarama. I have no idea if Dollar Tree and other dollar stores have something like this. I would assume so, but I think these are really great. Again, they're 4x6. they've got this plastic insert where you can put quite a lot of your paper die cuts from the same dies that you're attaching on here. And again, this fits perfectly in with the Simon Says Stamp storage sleeves. And then again, I just love my color coding so I can find all my companies really easy. I hope that you found this quick tip storage video helpful. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.